Students, last session we have discussed about social conditions of Rigveda period peoples. In this session we are discussing economic system and political system of Rigveda period. What was the conditions of economic condition and how administrative systems is conducted in Rigveda period. These are the matters we are discussing in this session. First of all, we want to know about the economic system. So on that time, most of the peoples, they did the occupation of animal husbandry. Means dairy farming, cattle rearing system or cattle rearing occupations only most of the peoples they followed. So on this based we can see different types of rearing. For example, here they given one by one cows, horses, camel and sheep. These are the important animals they rear on that time. And not only this one, on the Rigveda period, peoples they knowing how to cultivate the land. They knowing the knowledge. So on this based we can get that some of them they did occupations, agriculture profession. And not only this one they say, and when they knowing that one how to cultivate the land, so on this based they started to utilize the animals to cultivate the land. So in that purpose for only they started to cattle rearing. For example, here they are saying that why they started to animal husbandry means one of the best example first uses that one is tilling the land, means cultivate the land to grow a crops in that purpose. And second one, lift water for the agriculture purpose or drinking water or irrigation system. In that purpose for they want to lift the water, so in that purpose for only they also used animals. And next one they saying that to move carts and expressions of agriculture. And third one they saying that why they started animal husbandry. One is want to go one place to another place in that purpose. Second one to expand their agriculture field. So in that three purpose for only they started by animal husbandry. In Rigveda period, peoples they started animal husbandry because of peoples they knowing that knowledge about cultivation. So on that based they want to cultivate the land. So in that is first one uses. Second one to lift a water. Third one they want to move one place to another place or they want to expand their agriculture field. So in that purpose for only they adapted by animal husbandry. And not only this one, next one they saying that they used milk and meat. This is also one of the important useful. So in that purpose for also they reared by cattle. And next one they saying that after that in economic condition they saying that they knowing the uses of iron. Peoples they knowing the uses of iron. So on this based they what they did, how they melt that one iron or how they created. So they use that here they say they knowing mature and process the plants. They use plants, in that plants they burnt and they melt the irons. So in that based they use the iron. That way they saying that. And next one they knowing brass and alloy was called ayas. They knowing how to use alloy, that one they called as a ayas. And next one they saying that they knowing we are getting the some of the information about pot, but we are not getting the information about pottery. Who is creating the pottery? That one information we cannot get, but we are knowing that we got some of the evidence. They knowing that how to use the pot. So this is one of the important information about Rigveda period. And next one they saying that, and some of them they knowing how to weave the dress. Here that only they saying that craft like a weaving. Next one carpentry and professional skills. These are also some of the works they did in Rigveda period. So on this based we can see some of the rich tribes and agriculture workers. So these like we can classify, already we discussed in social condition also. We can see there are three types of class system. Rich peoples. Next one we discussed about common peoples. That like we are discussed in last session. In social condition we saw priestly class, rich peoples and common peoples. So on this based on the work we can classify. Some of them they have very rich people. Some of them they not that much of rich peoples. This lack of conditions also we can see in Rigveda period. So on this based we can see on that place they knowing how to cultivate the land. And next one they are saying that in which place they cultivate the land, in that place where they called as a kshetra. Which place is can cultivate or they are cultivating, they are growing the crops, in that place they given name as a kshetra. And which place they cultivating, in that place where they given name as a krishi. Cultivable land for they given name as a kshetra, and which place they cultivating, on that place where they given, or what they cultivated, on that for they given name as a krishi. And next one they are saying that we can see this lack of evidence in one of the important place, that is Swat Valley. In that place in getting the information, we got some of the evidence about crops. And next, when we are knowing that one, on that time sometimes we already knowing they are not getting proper water for agriculture field. So they knowing that how to lift the water, they used sometimes ropes or sometimes pulley. They used pulley or ropes, that one in that they used, and they lift the waters. So this only they showing that they have some technology, they have some of the knowledge. On this based they cultivate the land. So in that based they are saying that, and not only this one, they are cultivating the land. How they till that one particular land? They used wood. They used wood plugs, on that in they cultivate the land. So this is also one of the important features. And sometimes some of the place where they get the irrigation facility, on that place most of the people they cultivate it in reverse basin side, means in reverse side, because they are getting proper water. In some of the other place also we got, in which place they are getting underground water, in that place also people they cultivated the crops or cultivated the land. And one of the important crops we got as a evidence in that particular time, that is they given name as a Yava. In that place peoples they knowing how to grow the barley. So this is also one of the important information about Rigveda period in economic conditions. Means most of the peoples animal husbandry and agriculture work. And next one we discussed, some of them they knowing how to use iron and alloy. And next one we have discussed how they cultivate the land. They used wood, sometimes pulley for irrigation facility. And next one we discussed about ropes also they used for lift the water. Okay students, now next we want to discuss about what was the political system of Rigveda period. How was the conditions? Is there any person they are ruled in that particular place? Are people only together they ruled? Or which like of political systems we can find out in that Rigveda period? First of all, we want to know in which place peoples they settled or they lived, in that place where they given name as a grama or village. In that place where they given name as a grama, and here they say most of the tribes they live in grama. Tribes commonly generally they live in gramas, and in that each grama also we can see one of the head, in that head for they given name as a Raja. Rajan or Raja is the head of particular tribes or village. Next one here they are saying that Raja is one of the important person, is coming in one of the specific tribes who is most of physically strong on that time, or if we did any special achievements, in that person for only they given post as a Raja. And this system, Raja system, is hereditary. For example, anyone Raja now ruling in that particular place, next is son, next is son. So these like hereditary systems we can find out in Rigveda period. And next one here they are saying that this like of Rajas we get, there are two important Rajas names as a evidence in Rigveda period. One is here they given Tashki of Peru, and second one is Sudas of Bharata. These are the two important Rajas about we got some of the evidence. So this is showing that on the time only peoples they came under the control of Raja. And next, when you are discussing about political matters, here we can see one of the important information, that is on the time peoples they knowing how to attack against any other group or any other tribes or any other village. they did invention. Not only this one, here they say which place they captured or which place peoples they defeated, they did suppress. That one, in that place they captured and they took their control, under the control. This is also one of the important matters about political system of Rigveda period. Means peoples which place they capture, they took control, overall control in that particular place. And which place peoples they capture, they suppressed that one particular group. And especially most of the peoples, they did attack against non-Aryans, because these who are the peoples they came in Rigveda period, they all are Aryans. They always attacked against non-Aryans peoples or non-Aryans group. So this is also one of the important information. And this like of tribes we can see, one is Dasu and Pani. They are Aryans. They only, most of the war they only conducted, Dasu and Pani. And next one, here they are saying that in the time they did that battle, Saulek means is inhuman, alliance and killable. Means they not seeing is our like of humans. No, that like not. If they capture that in place, they kill the peoples and they given most of serious punishment for them. So this like of mentality they have on that time. Means they only given the so much of respect or freedom to only Aryans. They did not given any freedom or any rights to any other non-Aryans peoples. And this like of conflicts means war started between Aryans and non-Aryans in Rigveda period. This like of so many of wars we can find out. We got some of the evidence. Archaeologists they got the evidence about this like of wars. And next one they saying that in which place common peoples they started together to meet, in that place where they give a name as a Sabha or Samiti. In which place peoples they together they assemble, in that place where they give a name as a Sabha and Samiti. Next one here they are saying that common peoples who are ruled in common peoples, therefore they give a name as a Shatra. Means the people who ruled over common people, who is ruling in that time, they give a name as a Shatra. Next one here they given, and who is fighting against any other dynasty or any other group, on that person for they give a name as a Yodha. And next one, in the Kshatriya word on that time they don't know, so that's why on the time who is ruling to the peoples, in that for they give a name as a Shatra. After only that one renamed as a Kshatriya. Before that they used only Shatra. And if any person, if they did any achievement or any contribution, if they did, so therefore they given as a gift. Which are the gift they provided? Here they given one by one. Gift like cows, horse or gold and cultivation tools. So these like of gift they provided to priestly classes, if they did any achievements or if any contribution if they given. So these like of gift they provided by Shatra, means king, they given to priestly classes. And in that time we can see so much of wars or conflicts because of to capture a cattle. So this was one of the important political situations we can find out in Rigveda period. Peoples they did battle because of to capture a cattle, because they want to cultivate the land. On that time they don't know any machines or any technology. They knowing only one method, that is we can utilize the animals, and on that time in that we can cultivate the land. So that's why most of the war they done because of to capture a cattle. So these are the important matters about political situations. Next class we can discuss about one of the new religious system in Rigveda period. Okay, thank you.